Hey man, come.
Sir, these are her slippers.
Hey, there are so many slippers are like this. Come man.
If you find somebody, just let us know.
Definitely, sir. Yes, sir.
Why are you carrying the chapel? Throw it, man. Shall I take the vehicle?
Come to the station and file a complaint. Don't worry. We will find her. Okay?
Okay,
We'll
sir.
take care of it.
Okay, bye man.
Thank you, sir.
What did they ask?
They asked about the female, sir. I somehow managed.
Let's see what happened to her.
Where did she go? We were here all the while. How did we miss her?
What do we do now?
This mall is surrounded by surveillance camera. We'll watch from your room.
Okay.
Keep the lights on. Go. Switch on the monitor. From here I'll tell where she is. You just follow my words. We have to catch her before morning. Go. Sanjay, don't disconnect the phone and follow my words.
Okay. You go that side.
Okay, sir.
This time she can't escape.
Where are you both leaving? Huh? Bring him. Where were you trying to live? Trying to run away? Trying to cheat me? Huh? I'll slice you to pieces. Let your son carry you away. Give it to me.
The phone is not reachable. Did she inform to the police? No. Before that, I have to tell all the truth to the police. Bro, which place is this?
This is near Melmarutur.
Did any bus will stop here?
None of the buses stop here. You can get into some lorry and go. Do you want to have some tea? Brother, give him a tea.
What, Shafiq? You're standing here? What happened? Come, let's go. Don't waste time. Sit inside.
On the way, I'll get down at Chengalpattu, brother. What, brother? Tell your friends that I got you some tea and all. What are you seeing, brother? I'll give you some money.
Hey.
What happened? You want to take a leak, is it?
Don't beat me! Don't beat me! I want to repeat this! Please beat me! I want to...
Where were you running, huh?
I want to repeat this, brothers! Please, don't beat me!
Where do you think you were running? Huh?
No, I won't do this again!
Where were you running? Where were you running?
Sorry.
Shall I call the boss? Tell me.
Actually,
Huh? Tell me, boss.
I did.
Shall I ask them to kill your father?
No.
What did you know about? What did you know about? Huh? Tell me. Where were you running to?
I beg your pardon.
Now sit here quietly. If you try to run, start the car.
Sanjay, she's climbing the stairs.
Where is she?
I saw her here only.
She got away. Did we miss her again?
Hey, don't get tensed, man.
Hey, what do you mean? Don't get tensed. We only got 2 hours to morning. People will start coming and we'll get caught.
My wife cursed me.
Hey, just shut up, okay?
Leave it. Where she will go? She will be here only. We will catch her. Come.
Sir, come first, sir. She's here, sir. I have got her.
What is that?
Sanjay,
She is coming to your place.
near the staircase.
Okay.
Get ready.
Yeah.
Coming.
She is coming near to you.
Don't leave her. Be ready. Yes, she's coming.
Peter!
This is my wife's curse.
Who is smart? Who is best? God or the devil? The representative of the both teams are gonna compete with each other now. Whoever wins, they are the best. And now it's time for the very hot competition. So let's have a huge round of applause. Oh my god, he is moving or his muscle is moving. Let the competition begin. Yo, come on, dude. Yeah, you can smash him. Yeah. Give him nicely. Come on, yeah. Don't leave him. Just tackle him. Just kill him. Oh my god. Yeah, come on. Yeah, dance is great, man. Come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Monkey head. Yeah. Yeah, that's the spirit, man. Just come on, dude. You can win. Yeah. Yeah, you're almost there. You're the winner, boy. Yo, come on. Just beat it. Come on, dude. Yeah. You're almost there. You're the winner, boy. Yo, come on. Give him nicely. Come on, yeah. Don't leave him. Great. Just kill him. Wow. Yeah, come on. That's wow. Yeah, come on. Come on, dude. You can get up. Wow. You still have time. Just get up. Come on, dude. You can. 3. You can do that.
And we have a winner.
We got 1 point. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the very second round of our competition, representing the Devils team, we have Godandam. And representing the Gods team, we have a person from Kerala who is one among the husbands of Miss Malavika, Mr. Gaurav Kumar. Here begins the competition.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Get from me also.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, you here.
Sorry.
Very good.
Come on.
Whichever criminals he get, he will just smash into pieces and just crush him with like elephant. At the last stage of defeating the Devil's team, Mr. Gaurav sir is leading ahead. Here comes the hero of Kerala, Mr. Gaurav Kumar. Yay! With a fire-spark performance, he is gonna defeat Mr. Devil's team. And here we have almost at the end of the game. And wow, that was a fantastic shot, Mr. Gaurav sir. Wow. And he's continuously getting a lead point over here. Here comes Gaurav sir. Come on.
What? So you belong to the monsters group. Can I see your chief? Huh?
And now adds a 1 point to the Gods team, and now it's a tie. Shame. I think today it's not a Friday. Let's call my son, the great warrior, Mr. Drushta. And for the final round, representing the Devils team, we have Mr. Drushta. And from the Gods team is Mustafa Rautar.
Oh my god, what I will do? God, please save him, please.
Rautar is very innocent. Please don't send him. You can send him instead. He's very strong.
Me? No, it's not possible. At this age, I'm very weak in my body.
Sharangadara, tell them to not to spoil our name.
The Lord's decision is final. You have to fight him. The person who smashes ton kilos of steels and irons into pieces and just sells for the waste market. Now we have Mr. the Great, the person who has a power of 10 elephant, Mr. Waste Mustafa.
You better do one thing. You just find a good insurance company and get insured a very good amount on me. If I die also, you can live happily with the children, right?
What I will do for the sign?
What sign after the death? Let them go to hell. Hello,
Oh my
check.
God, take him carefully,
Here comes
please,
our Mustafa
please.
like a very
God,
big
please
Spider-Man
save him,
with the
please.
entire power of 10 elephants
careful,
in the
be
ring.
careful, you can
Come
do it.
on. The most goosebumps and mesmerizing events. And it's happening now. The very big fight between the God and devils. We don't know what will happen. And we have a very big Mustafa. Oh my God. Mustafa is flying in the air. Full confidence. Oh. Our Mustafa didn't fell down. It was one of his
Don't hit
style.
him. You can
If
do
you
it.
lose this game, I will give you 20 crore rupees. If you lose it confidently, I'll give you a flat and a 20 crore rupees at Kerala. Full free.
murmuring.
No doubts. If you win 10 crores and if you lose 20 crores, huh? What are you saying?
In that case, hit me.
The lucky charm and the strong pillar of Kerala, Mr. Dr. Mustafa. The great Mustafa added one more point to the great God's team, and now the leading is the God's team, and the Devil team lags by 1 point. Hey, and the victory goes to Dr. Mustafa. Hey, brum brum bravo. Impossible. How did this happen? Making the God's team proud. Let's listen what Dr. Mustafa have to say. If you could speak few words, please. If devils play with us, this will happen today. Mr. Mustafa,
I should have won the competition. Oh, I've lost my 10 crores.
Shit, totally ashamed. What happened to our powerful fighters? They fought today only to ashame me. No one should stay in front of me now here onwards.
Please forgive, Master. Every demon will make a mistake at least once in his life.
We commit mistake.
Ah.
Not only that, if we get 50 rupees above the match point, we will just lose for ourselves.
He promised to give him 20 crores in cash and a big flat. Who wouldn't lose a fight? I don't need to tell you, you know about it.
I think the only eligible person to become the Prime Minister of our Devils world, it's you.
It's my pleasure.
Mr. Devil sir, you didn't like me or what? You call me sir? When did I teach you? During my secondary school time, 6th standard, my maths teacher, you only know sir. Which sir? When did I teach you? Same voice, same face cut. Hey, no. Sir, simply don't say no sir. Just think and see. When all the students go out for the interval, behind the backboard, you used to give unlimited kisses to the Leela teacher, right? Don't you remember? I know everything, sir. Oh, your blooding memory power. Don't kindly reveal this to all. This is a trade secret, right? Hey, come on, catch me. Hey, come on. Can find me, Hey.
Catch.
Yeah, come on.
Hey.
I'm here.
Catch.
Right. No. Left. Oh, my hand.
Master.
Everything is getting into losses and totally damaging. And you're enjoying here by playing hide and seek.
I'm not able to understand, Master.
Go on, switch on the system, you bloody fool. My dear son Deppy, where are you?
Hey, Dad. I am creating a small heaven in the world, Dad.
Heaven? The useless heaven? You have to come here immediately. Else our every wealth will be into losses.
Dad, what madness are you telling?
Hey, my little idiot. Instead of the lion, cats are becoming king nowadays. Small boy from Kerala will take your Devika and go off. Then you have to feel for that. So you come fast.
What nonsense are you talking, Daddy? How it is possible?
I'm least bothered about anything. You're supposed to come here fast.
Okay, Dad. Okay. Kindly send my 2 drivers over here.
Sure.
What?
Sure. Oh, my dad. Hey, my son.
Master son.
Oh, my son Deppy. What is this? Are you okay?
Okay.
Why did you come in this vehicle?
To come as early as possible. This was the only source.
Oh, good.
By the by, when I was not here, many things happened. You told me now. Let me meet all them and come back. Well, who are you?
I'm Kaushik Kumar, IAS.
I am so glad
Master.
I'm not IAS.
Our son has grown up too much.
My son.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, come.
Oh.
Bro, what kind of creature is this?
He's a gorilla.
Achara beera vachara kunda.
Jai.
The reason I called you here, do anyone know that?
Kindly tell us, boss.
Our honorable master has given lot of instructions to us.
Tell us. We are ready for everything.
We should clearly note the movement of Malayalakara residency people.
That Kaushal is very smart and intelligent too. That Trilog used to hide and go. That too, our princess bedroom.
For what, man?
That Super is really a playboy. And our boss' girlfriend is also in very deep love.
Love?
Yeah, love. It's true love. Yo, my
we should
God.
cut his both hands and legs, you know.
Everywhere we have an eye.
No use of having eyes, you have to see with that. Our spy team should work with a little more concentration.
As you wish, master.
No use of just replying alone. If some work should happen, I should go there.
Oh, it's really tickling, you know. Oh my God. Change of dress is a real tradition. What a custom. Oh my God.
Oh, hey, hi, Dad. What kind of outfit is this?
My son, after seeing the Malayalis outfits, no, I also like to wear like that.
Oh,
My dear, just give me a clear suggestion.
oh, Dad. To be frank, the complete vague look has gone now.
From today onward, this will be my casual dress for at least a ventilation purpose, na.
Ah, Dad, you're right. But Dad, cats are always cats, though they have strikes like a tiger's, huh? Did you get my point? Ah, hey.
Are they following me using this camera?
Sanjay, what are you doing?
Tell me.
She moved to the storeroom. Go there.
Yeah, I'm here.
Did you see her?
No. But she has destroyed the camera.
Directly go to the storeroom.
Hey, listen. Hey, don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. No, 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 no.
What is he doing?
You won't come if I die, right? I'm gonna die now.
Charles, what are you doing here, man? Come with me, your mom is waiting for you.
Kartika is not to be seen since evening. And her phone is switched off. I'm really getting scared now.
Okay, come, we'll search tomorrow.
Till I see her, I'm not coming anywhere.
If I say something, you should not get angry.
Tell me.
You won't scold me, no?
Just tell me, damn it.
No, man. Yesterday night, when we were walking, actually. I am Surendra here. I am friend of Charles.
Tell me.
Hey,
I am asking you, what do you think about yourself, world beauty?
Huh?
can you find any good person than my friend?
He should have been a very big cricket player.
He left everything for you, but you are avoiding him. It's ridiculous.
See, I am talking for your sake.
You just marry him.
You better keep the phone now.
Hello? Hello?
Why the hell did you say that? Who asked you to do all these things?
Friendship, man. It made me to do that.
Just get out from here. I'm just gonna... Get out from my sight, man. Oh, that must have been the reason she spoke to me like that in the morning.
What is this, man? You are carrying ladies' chapel? Don't mistake me. She's not as worthwhile as you feel.
I'll
Hey,
kill
man,
you,
no.
bloody... Kartika? 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 Kartika?
Charlie?
Kartika?
Charlie?
Kartika!
Charlie? Charlie?
Kartika!
Charlie? Where are you? Charlie?
I'm on the second floor. Where are you?
Charlie? I'm in the first floor. Oh!
Kartika! Kartika! Kartika!
Hey, you!
Sanjay! 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 Shit.
Hello? Hello?
Hey man, wake up. We have to go to the police station.
Here only. Stop.
Go and get the stuff. We wait over there.
Okay, bro.
Hey, make it fast.
Is she complaining about me? Sir, what happened, sir?
Somebody was murdered inside, sir.
Sir, only that? Nothing serious, no?
You bloody, it's a murder? Is it not serious?
Sir.
What else should happen?
Sorry, sir.
Stupid people.
Come here, brother.
Thanks. I'm leaving.
Nobody knows about it. I won't tell it to anybody. There is some other problem going on here. You don't be here. You go.
Thanks.
Okay, brother.
I'm very sorry, Daddy. I didn't expect such thing will happen.
It's okay. Now you have understood. Let us start a new